Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to prevent people from following you on X. So to prevent people from following you on X, you have to make your account private by turning on the feature that is called Protect Your Posts. So let me show you step by step how you can do that. You have to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. This will open this side menu. Here you need to scroll down to Settings and Privacy. As you can see, your settings have different sections. You want to go to Privacy and Safety section, and from here select Audience and Tagging. And finally, at the very top of your screen, you should see this option that is called Protect Your Posts. So this is the feature that is responsible for making your account private. Let's turn this feature on. And from this moment, anyone new who wants to follow you on X, they must send you follower request that you can decline or approve. So you can find this page if you tap your profile picture once again. And now in this side menu you can see that you have different sections. You want to go to section follower requests, and from here you can manage your new followers on X. You can either accept them or decline them. So that's basically how you can prevent people from following you on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.